I'm Sue Williams. I'm the primary school principal at Pitcher School International. We are a fully authorized PYP, or Primary Years Program school, part of the IB, or International Baccalaureate. We are a very conceptually driven and inquiry-based school where we believe that children need to ask questions to find out things for themselves, with some guidance and some structure from the very little and younger ones, our 3-year-olds, all the way up to grade 5, where the children become much more independent and find a passion that they want to inquire more into, relate it to the real world and the global society that we are now living in. And then that gets them ready for the middle years program. We also have a very strong social and emotional learning in our primary school. We believe that there are times where the social emotional learning is sometimes more important even than the academic learning. While we do believe that kids need to absolutely have their maths while they're drawing and they're building and they're constructing that meaning, and they have their literacy down pat and they're reading more fluently and deeper in complexity as they get older, we also believe that they need to have fun while doing it. And happiness, as you probably have seen through our core values, is one of those things that we always strive for. So when I come onto campus and I see and the kids are coming through the gate and I ask them how their day is so far and they're saying excellent, and I ask them what they're doing in classes and they can tell me why and what they're doing, it's just a great way of knowing that our children are living up to their own passions and building their own strengths and learning continuously throughout the school year. We have a counselor who helps with some social and emotional support for children. We also have a learning support program, and we have a literacy coach who helps quite a bit with our teachers as we move and delve more deeply, inquiring ourselves into the best literacy practices as we teach our kids. That's a short summary of the primary school. We do also have PSPE, which is personal, social, physical, emotional health, and we also have art and music throughout the course of the day. And our languages include Ukrainian and Russian, both native and additional, as well as Spanish and French additional languages. And of course, we definitely have an EAL program. So if your child has limited English, it's really quite okay, because we have an EAL program with teachers who are quite qualified and exceptionally good at what they do, and your children will be speaking English pretty quickly after they show up to the PSI campus. Thank you for listening, and I hope to see you soon. Take care.